You can't predict markets. I've been through massive ups in crypto, massive downs in crypto. It's frustrating when it's down. There's a lot of just market sentiment. At the end of the day, humans, we do tend to act in concert. And economists came up with this concept of Mr. Market years ago. And he's a moody son of a bitch. And sometimes he wants to buy and sometimes he wants to sell. So, how to predict? Look, I wouldn't say I'm necessarily the right one to predict. What I would say is look around at what's happening in terms of what's being built. And BitGo is a very small company in the grand scheme of things. Someday we will be one of the big companies, don't get me wrong. But when you see the likes of Morgan Stanley and Citi and all of the others that are making announcements every single week about this space, I think you should pay attention. This price of Bitcoin, this price of digital assets, they're going to bounce around and do whatever they do in the short term. But in the long term, when you've got this type of attention from the traditional large juggernauts, those guys have got distribution channels that just completely dwarf all of digital assets today. So I think the direction is one way only. And don't worry about the short term, think about the long term.